Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Nissan Rogue without a key. If your key fob battery dies, you might think you're stranded, but there's an easy workaround. We'll cover the simple steps to get your engine running using a built-in override feature. This method is designed for situations where your intelligent key isn't communicating with the vehicle, ensuring you can still reach your destination. First, you'll need to access your vehicle. Most Nissan intelligent key fobs have a small release button on the side or back. Press this button to slide out the hidden physical key. Once you have the physical key, insert it into the keyhole on the driver's side door and turn it to unlock. This step is crucial for gaining entry when the remote functions are not working. Now that you're inside, the next step is to start the engine. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, take your key fob and press it directly against the push-button start. The vehicle has a special sensor that can read the fob's chip even if its battery is completely dead. Hold it there and press the start button, and your Nissan Rogue should power on. After successfully starting your Nissan Rogue, remember to replace your key fob battery as soon as possible. It's also a good idea to keep a spare battery, perhaps a CR2032, in your glove compartment for future emergencies. This simple trick can save you a lot of hassle. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.